I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
And I'm Aiden.
I should call you Aiden the Pyromaniac. Today we are out of the neighborhood entryway and Aiden is going to do some burning of all the ornamental grasses that we put out here. Also going to just take some time to do a little weeding, evaluate if there's any open space, and sow some more seeds if necessary. So stay tuned to watch our progress. Aiden is definitely an expert at this. So that's panicum. Oh, look at it burn. Wow, whoa. Every time we do this, it feels just a little bit dangerous, but we know it works so well. It's awesome. I'm sure all the neighbors are somewhat amused.
Oh yeah.
Or afraid to pull in, one way or the other. Well, that was super awesome. One of the neighbors stopped and wanted daikon radish to eat. It's like all my dreams coming true. I can't believe it. I just noticed that there's stupid liriope coming back. Terrible plant. I don't know if burning it will really kill it. We'll probably have to dig it. Now I want to show you guys what else is growing here. So obviously a lot of daikon radish and they're enormous. Are you ready for this reveal? This might be like a world record. Look at how huge that is. My hand doesn't even fit around it. And there's a really healthy stand. They definitely got damaged from the cold, but you know, that's okay. Oh, look at the liriope along the edge here. We're definitely gonna have to dig this out. But the ornamental grasses, the muley that we put in, looks nice. And we did add a lot of native perennials that at this stage kind of look like weeds, but I know they're not. And I don't remember what anything is. That's not awesome, but accurate. But all of these are good. We have a lot of weeds coming up at mostly vetch and chickweed. You can see daffodils are blooming. We have a fair amount of larkspur and bachelor buttons. Let's see, a lot of chickweed. Need to weed that all out today. A lot of bachelor buttons. Look at this monster. I mean, you could see it got damaged from the cold, but that's why they call it the soil busting radish. You can see this hole here. And then that ultimately will fill with organic matter. So if you have like hard pan clay, seeding with daikon radish will make a huge difference. I cannot express enough what a useful plant this is. I mean, look at that. Let me pull this out. And then look at the cavity that it left. So, considering we do very little maintenance to this border, I feel pretty good about it. A lot of crimson clover here. Of course, you can see trucks drive into it all the time with their trailers. They don't make the turn wide enough. They do it on both sides. We have active fire ants year-round now, which sucks. I mean, it doesn't really look nice, but it doesn't look terrible either. And that's sort of what we're looking for. We do have some open space, so I think we will go ahead and toss some additional seeds in. It's because the more the ground plane's engaged with plants on purpose, the fewer weeds there will be. It's just the best advice I can give. Well, I think we've done a good job cleaning this bed up. We have a lot of space for seeds, so we're gonna do poppies. We're gonna add more daikon radish because we know they do well here. And I have some purple top turnips. So we're gonna go ahead and toss these down and, well, we probably won't come back out to the neighborhood entryway till the beginning of May when we clean clean it up once again in time for the spring open garden, which is scheduled for Saturday, May 11th from noon to 4 p.m. Well, what do you think of our harvest, everybody? I think these are some of the biggest daikon radish that I've ever grown. We are going to a friend's goodbye party and they're vegan. We're totally gonna bring them like a box full of daikon radish. Well, everybody, I went ahead and harvested the daffodils to bring inside, and there's Aiden with some of the largest daikon radish that we've ever grown.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I mean, when they're that big, they're not usually that delicious, but still pretty impressive. And you can see why it's called the soil buster radish, because that, when you pull it out, leaves this huge cavity that organic matter can fill in, and it literally breaks up hard pan clay just by scattering the seeds.
Yep.
So we look forward to sharing updates with you right here from our Central North Carolina Fuquay-varina neighborhood entryway. We did another round of seeding, so in another couple of months we should have more giant daikons to pull out. Well, thanks so much for watching, and happy gardening!